person gon' ride, it's your chick. She gon' hold it down, saying fuck that stupid shit. So much niggas switched up on me, thinking I ain't know. Ain't no fucking dummy, stupid nigga, I been know.
Just another day, money being made. Just another phase, ain't got time to waste. It's just another day, bitches in my face. My mom been in a maze, trying to take the pain away.
When you said don't go away, I gave you a taste. Said I love you through away, yeah, it's just another day. I take 8 months to the face, my heart you gave away. All this love you got replaced, trying to see a better day. Reminiscing about them days, Lou and Kobe towing K's. On the block we rockin' J's, niggas mad not throwing fades. Though it's fuck 'em anyways, all this pain can't be replaced. Man, I think this blunt was lace, help me, I can't feel my face. Yeah, my mom been out of place, rockin' on one it with my yes. Smoking strong, I'm out of space, I'ma do just what it takes. To the top, we on the race, big slum, yeah, bitch.
Yeah. Crib shit, no I cannot tolerate no bitch shit. Big stick, nigga run down, get your shit hit. Click, click, it's a red dot from a distance. Wing split, it's a headshot, I don't miss shit. Run down, yo squid, please put that gun down. Gun sound, boop, 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 it's a touchdown. How you doing? I'ma take that pack, you don't know how to move it. I ain't cool with niggas, then I'll shoot them, that's just how we move. Niggas dead heat, trapping on a block when it's hot, should be dead heat. Fuck around, I'm sending plenty shots, I ain't friendly. You don't wanna see me stop, hopping up the Bentley. You don't wanna see me stop. Tell that bitch suck my motherfucking dick. I'm a motherfucking gift, like December 25th. How you talking about that? But I'm talking about this. How you talking D-modes? But I'm talking about bricks, bitch. Crib shit, no I cannot tolerate no bitch shit. Big stick, nigga run down, get your shit hit. Click, click, it's a red dot from a distance. Wing split, it's a headshot, I don't miss shit. Run down, yo squid, please put that gun down. Gun sound, boop, 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 it's a touchdown. How you doing? I'ma take that pack, you don't know how to move it. I ain't cool with niggas, then I'll shoot them, that's just how we move it.
What is up, YouTube? You already know what time it is. We're back again with another video. As you guys can see, we got my brother over here, and we are parked outside right now, currently outside of Walmart's parking lot. But first thing first, before I jump into the video, I'm going to be shouting out a couple people, because as I've been telling you guys on every video, if you guys comment down below on the videos that I upload, on the next video I make, I'll be shouting out a couple people from whoever comment down below in the comment section. So for my last video, I want to shout out James Vanderveer. He said happy anniversary, much love. Keep grinding. By the way, do gold digger pranks with random girls on the street, but make sure it's all good with your wife. You know, you gotta. Alright, man, I appreciate you, man, for commenting down below on the last video. So that's why I'm shouting you out now about the idea. You know, it's a good idea about making the video, so we might make something like that some in the future. We don't know when, but you know, we gotta, right? Just like you said, we got to. I also wanna shout out Slick Gamer 510. He said Modelo time. Hell yeah, you already know what time it is, man. You got to, you know, you gotta drink some Modelos. You can never go wrong with that. And another, last but not least, I wanna shout out Rose Mejia. I had shout out you before, I think 2 videos ago. Thanks for commenting down below again. I mean, like I said, man, if every time you guys comment, I'm gonna shout you guys out. So she said, happy anniversary, and may y'all have many more. Much love from Texas. That's what's up. You're from Texas, we're from Texas, so that's what's up. So yeah, man, if you guys want to get a shout out on the next video, make sure you guys go down below and comment down below on this video. And as I've been telling everybody as well, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna be doing giveaways. So make sure you guys tell a friend to tell a friend to share our videos, to watch our videos, to share our channel. And once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway. We'll probably do like a $100 giveaway. And once we get to that, once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll get into details on how to do that. But without, you know, doing too much talking, you know, I'm gonna cut straight to the chase. We're gonna jump into the video, but we're gonna be we're gonna we're gonna be sneezing, and we're gonna be moaning around people. We're gonna see what they say. or how they react. We're gonna be doing a couple little different things. We got the little fart thingy again, so we're gonna see what's up, man. Hopefully we can get some real reactions out of people. And but yeah, man, if you like the video, make sure you guys like the video and comment down below. You already know what time it is, man. But we ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna jump straight into the video. All right, we're gonna go inside. We're going, what the fuck going on, man? Let's get it, man. Mine, we out.
Thank you. Este. Oh fuck! Shooting a Taco Bell, man. Yay beans, huh? Did you? No. Why, it hit you? Yes. Maybe the next aisle? Yeah, I don't know. Sorry. My mom made beans.
Please take your arm out of the cup.
You eat beans? Let me guess, you ate beans.
That was not me.
Yeah.
Are you looking for some?
No, I just right here, you know. Just looking around. My bad, man. My mom made beans, bro. Damn. I think I started a bit. Gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
Hey, bro, we recording the video.
Nah, we just playing around, bro.
problem?
What the hell?
What the hell? What was that? No, I'm not sure who hit me.
Oh, I don't know. Someone in the other aisle?
Yeah. You want to check me back?
Yeah, I'll check right here.
Yeah, sure. I thought somebody hit me.
No, nobody's there.
Dang.
They're just two girls, but I don't think it was them.
Oh, yeah. Just
Yeah.
a girl. Ow. God,
You okay?
Yeah, it hit my damn head very hard.
All right, man.
All right, cool, bro. I gotta go pay for this. Yeah. Sure do, bro. All right, well, take care, bro.
All right, you too, man. Sorry, my mom made beans. Yeah.
I'm not worried about you.
What the hell?
Well, I know you.
I just saw that flower. I was like, what the hell is that? People just playing, huh?
You can't come in Walmart. You got to come in Walmart like the Wild Wild West.
I need an arm and leg. I need an arm and head. Cardi and love it, leg. Arm and leg. Head and check. Arm and leg. Head and check. Cardi and love it, bread. Cardi can't fuck.